Anna buys a new dress. Anna is a young woman who likes bright colors and pretty clothes. She is kind and friendly. Today is a very special day because Anna needs a new dress for a birthday party. She feels happy and a little bit nervous. Anna wants to look nice and feel good at the party. She thinks a new dress will make her feel confident and pretty. Anna wakes up early in the morning. The sun shines through her window. She smiles and thinks, "Today is my day to find a new dress." Anna eats her breakfast slowly. She drinks a cup of warm milk and eats a small piece of bread with honey. She then gets dressed in simple clothes and puts on her comfortable shoes. Anna is ready to go out. She leaves her small house and walks to the town center. The streets are quiet, and the air is fresh. Anna walks along the main road. Along the road, she sees many shops and friendly people. The town center is a busy place, but Anna feels safe and happy. After a short walk, Anna reaches a little shop called Colorful Dresses. The shop is small and neat. A big sign hangs on the door with the name of the shop. Anna opens the door and steps inside. The shop is full of many dresses in different colors. There are red dresses, blue dresses, yellow dresses, green dresses, and many more. The dresses are on racks and in boxes, and each one looks different. At the front of the shop, a friendly shop assistant greets Anna with a warm smile. The assistant is a young woman named Maria. Maria says, "Hello, welcome to Colorful Dresses. How can I help you today?" Anna replies in a clear voice, "I need a new dress for a birthday party." Maria smiles and says, "I will help you find a perfect dress." Maria shows Anna many dresses. First, she shows her a red dress. The dress is simple and pretty. It has a small bow on the neck. Anna looks at the dress, but she does not feel it is the one. Next, Maria shows Anna a yellow dress with small white dots. The yellow dress is bright like the sun, but Anna does not like it very much. Then, Maria takes Anna to the back of the shop where there are many blue dresses. In the blue section, Anna sees a beautiful blue dress. It is light and soft, and it has a small pattern of white flowers. Anna says, "I like this dress. It is very nice." Maria asks, "Would you like to try it on?" Anna nods and follows Maria to a small room at the back of the shop. The room is calm and has a big mirror on the wall. Anna takes the blue dress and goes into the room. She closes the door and tries the dress on. The dress fits her body very well. When she looks in the mirror, she sees a new, happy Anna. The dress makes her look fresh and calm. Anna feels that the blue dress is perfect for her birthday party. After trying the dress, Anna comes out of the room. She smiles at Maria and says, "I like this dress very much." Maria replies, "I am glad you like it. It is a beautiful dress and it fits you well." Anna asks, "How much is the dress?" Maria answers in a friendly tone, "The dress costs $20. Anna thinks for a moment and then says, "I will buy this dress." Maria takes the dress off the rack and goes to the counter. Anna goes with her. At the counter, Maria wraps the dress in a clean paper bag. Anna watches carefully. She sees the price written on a small card. Anna takes out her money and gives it to Maria. She uses $20 to pay for the dress. Maria thanks Anna and says, "Thank you for your purchase. I hope you enjoy your new dress." Anna thanks Maria again. She takes the bag and holds it close. She feels happy because she has found a dress that she loves. Anna leaves the shop with a smile on her face. Outside, the sun is bright and the day is warm. Anna decides to go to a nearby park before she goes home. The park is small but very green. There are trees, flowers, and a small pond with ducks. Anna sits on a bench under a big tree. She opens her paper bag and looks at her new blue dress. Anna thinks about the party that will be in the evening. She feels excited and happy. She thinks, "My new dress will make the party even more special." In the park, Anna meets her friend Lucy. Lucy is also a young woman who likes to help others. When Lucy sees Anna, she says, "Hello, Anna, you look very happy today. What is the good news?" Anna smiles and shows Lucy her new dress. "I bought this dress for my birthday party," Anna says. Lucy looks at the dress and replies, "It is a beautiful dress. Blue is a lovely color on you." They talk for a few minutes about the dress and the party. Lucy tells Anna, "I hope you have a wonderful time at the party." Anna thanks Lucy and they say goodbye. After the park, Anna goes back to her home. On the way, she sees many friendly faces. A little boy rides a bicycle, and an old man walks with his dog. Anna smiles at everyone. She feels that the day is good and full of kind people. At home, Anna puts her new dress on the bed. She decides to prepare for the party. She takes a long time to clean her hair and choose a few simple accessories. Anna chooses a small necklace and a pair of earrings that match the blue dress. She practices in front of a small mirror. She stands slowly and looks at her reflection. Anna says to herself, "I look nice and I feel good." Later in the afternoon, Anna writes a small note in her diary. She writes about the day and the shop. She writes, "Today, I went to the shop and bought a new blue dress. The dress is very beautiful. I am happy and excited for my birthday party." Anna writes slowly and neatly. She likes to remember good days in her diary. In the evening, Anna goes to the birthday party. The party is held in a big room at a small community center. Many friends and family members are there. The room is decorated with colorful balloons and bright lights. There is a big table with tasty food and a big cake with candles on it. When Anna enters the room, many people look at her. They smile and say, "Happy birthday, Anna." Anna feels warm and proud. Her new blue dress looks very nice in the party room. Some people say, "Your dress is very pretty," and Anna smiles and thanks them. She talks with her friends and enjoys the party. They dance a little, eat cake, and talk about happy things. At the party, Anna learns many new words. She hears words like celebrate, birthday, and friendship. She listens carefully and practices saying these words in her head. Anna finds that the party is not only fun but also a good way to learn English. Every time someone says a new word, Anna writes it down on a small piece of paper. Later, she will read these words and try to use them when she talks with others. After a few hours, the party comes to an end. Anna hugs her friends and says goodbye. She leaves the community center and walks back home in the cool night air. The stars shine in the sky, and the streets are quiet. Anna feels peaceful. She thinks about her day and the many good moments she had. At home, Anna puts her new dress carefully in her wardrobe. She then sits at her desk and writes more in her diary. She writes, "Today was a good day. I bought a new dress. I went to the park and met my friend Lucy. I went to a happy party and learned many new words." Anna smiles as she writes, and she feels that her life is full of small joys. Before going to bed, Anna looks out of her window. She sees the dark sky with many bright stars. Anna feels calm and thankful. She thinks about the kind people she met and the beautiful dress she bought. Anna whispers, "Good night, world. Thank you for a good day." Anna's day was full of simple moments that made her happy and helped her learn. The new dress was not just a piece of clothing. It was a symbol of her excitement for life and her wish to grow and learn. Every step that day, from the shop to the park to the party, gave Anna a chance to practice her English and meet new people. Anna learned that every day can be special when you are kind and open to new experiences. This story, Anna Buys a New Dress, is a simple tale about a young woman who finds joy in everyday moments. It shows that even small events, like buying a dress or talking with a friend, can teach us new words and give us new experiences. Anna's journey reminds us that life is full of happy surprises and that every day is a chance to learn something new.